Randy, you should get out of here. You need to get baby away from this.
We've just gotten word that there might be a storm coming from the northeast, from the north. There also is one appearing to come from the south. I'm here in Port Aransas on the beach reporting live. Is there anything that you would like to tell us about your experience here the last day?
Well, storm's coming, and it's blowing in fast. Coming. Better hide your kids, hide your wives, pack up your stuff, and get out behind the dunes. The storm isn't coming.
Are you planning to pack up your things and leave, or will you be sticking around for the rain?
No, we're gonna ride it out, see how long we can stay until it blows us away.
Do you have a tent here, sir?
No, I'm just gonna stand out here in the sand over there.
Well, you've heard it right here first. We'll be keeping updates as best as we can and reporting on the storm for the next foreseeable future, unless somehow I am struck by lightning. Back to you, Dick.
Just call me a dick. Adventures of baby girl and baby girl.
Hi.
Oh, what's that? Oh,
What's what?
Did I miss a phone call? Hello?